Hello. Hello everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak. So let us now begin with what discussion of most important. So that is the control and coordination chapter unit 6, that is biology second chapter I will be discussing now. So let us now begin with discussion of that. I can see many students are online here. Shifa Raichur is online, Ubaid is there, Suleiman, then Zayed Bombay is there, Andrew is there. Nice to see you all. People are online and taking the advantage of live classes. Not only that, those students who will see this later, for them also heartfelt welcome. I hope my voice is audible. Any kind of issues with my voice or anything, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Yes, I hope the screen is visible. I can see Devamsh Gowda here. Hello Devamsh. And yes, so ellaru enaiti new ellaru answer helbeku. Whatever questions I will be asking now, you should answer. LBA is nothing but lesson based assessment which is issued by your board only, that is Karnataka SSLC board, in order to uplift your studies for the board examination 2025 and 26. Yes, Vanaja Idalgi is there. Hi, yes, Pritam. Yes, I can see Pritam here. Then Manju T is there. Hi, hello dear. Devamsh Gowda sir didn't got PDF. I'll just update it in a subsequent WhatsApp and Telegram group dear. Vanita Patil. Hi Vanita, nice to see you online. See here on in a lesson based assessment, LBA, what all you will be studying, I'll just let you know. In LBA is nothing but lesson based assessment which is issued by the Karnataka School Examination Assessment Board in order to uplift your studies for your board examination. And see all the set of questions you should know, and they are prepared accordingly. The question paper pattern only the questions have been set in this case. So Ram Charan Shetty sir start classes for PUC very soon. I will be starting here. Tejas, hi Tejas. The PSR is there, so he has commented something. Hi PSR. Yellow bro, some online play in the BGM I must start ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ. Okay, see here, in this chapter, I think you are aware of this, the concept, and FA2 is coming ahead. Animals, that is nervous system, reflex action, reflex arc, coordination in plants, hormones in plants and their function, hormones in animals and their function. So, this has total, you can see the easy, there are total 29 questions, 43 marks. So 30% of this PDF, whatever I am discussing now, then easy average there are 37 questions and that is 72 marks, and difficulty there are 15 questions. So if you are able and capable to understand this, then only you can able to answer maximum question. Hi Nikhil Miskin, hello, nice to see you online dear. Ashraf Saudagar is there, hello. Now you see here the most important thing in LBA. What is the Ashraf live process is done when no Ashraf? I have started with this only, that is control and coordination. Subsequently, I will do live process there, no issues. Now, all the questions, this is part one of my discussion in which all 1 mark questions and MCQs and 1 mark questions I will be discussing, and I want you to see this video in 1.5x speed so that you can finish all the questions in one shot. Okay, so ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ನು ಆಗಬೇಕು and in less time, and ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸುಯಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನೈತಿ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, and you can able to solve remember it for long time. Kausar Jabin is there. Very soon I will be starting PU classes dear, so no issues. Tejas, sir, I am seeing your channel at since 8th standard. Very good, Tejas. I request those who are on new students here, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and kindly share this with your friends and your school friends and school groups, so that even they may uplift their studies for the upcoming board examination. Tafazul, hi Tafazul, Tafu is there. Now moving on to the first question, I want you to answer. See the multiple choice questions I will be dealing around 20. There are around Yes, 27 MCQ questions I will be dealing now. Nankitta jasti neevu fast agi nan answer helbeku. I am expecting the answer. So fast agi nan answer anna heli. First one, first see here multiple choice questions. One of them is correct, so you should know the right answer here. So first question, you can see it is an average question. And the brain is responsible for what? So let me know the answer here. What is the answer for first one? ಏನು ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ನೈಸ್. ತೇಜಸ್, ಕೌಸರ್ ಜಬೀನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Kausar Jabin, excellent dear. You got 96%. Very good, excellent. Very happy to see your progress, dear. I hope you have joined some good college and made yourself very good. Ashraf has given right answer. Shifar Aichur has given right answer. Tejas, Ubaid, I can see Suleiman, excellent. So you are taking the live classes very seriously. Very happy. The first one, fourth option, very good. See, you know the brain is nothing but the main center of central nervous system is spinal cord and brain, and you know the basic function of the brain is thinking. Second, regulating the heartbeat, that will be done by which part of the brain? The hindbrain, that is medulla. You know medulla take care of what? The main function of the medulla is it controls the involuntary activities like heartbeat and thinking. It is done by forebrain. Yes, that is cerebrum. And you can see here balancing the body. So can somebody in the comment section let me know which part of the brain controls the balancing of the body? It is hindbrain, and the major part of hindbrain is cerebellum. So whatever I am highlighting here, they are most important. And not only the function of brain, you should know the function of forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. What are the main parts and main functions? All that you should know in detail. I hope Vanita, very good dear. So classes are little late. Ashraf has mentioned, no dear, by 8:15 my classes will go up to 4 to 8. After 8 I'll be. Pavan, I can see. Hi Pavan, nice to see you online dear. So I hope you got the brain is responsible for thinking. You know the which part of the brain? It is forebrain. Similarly, regulating the heart beat, it is also the hindbrain. That is nothing but what? Medulla oblongata, and the balancing of the body is done by the hindbrain, that is cerebellum. Yes, Pavan, I hope I am replying dear. Hello Pavan, hi. Chandramma is there. Okay, old batch students, nice to see you online, Chandramma. Then second one, let me know the answer for second one dear. The incorrect statement. So question nodile incorrect, yaad wrong riti yaad baribeku related to thyroxine hormone. You know thyroxine hormone is a hormone endocrine gland. It is secreted by which endocrine gland? That is thyroid gland. Nanapidkobeku, that is the thyroxine hormone is secreted by the thyroid gland, and you should tell the wrong answer. And this question has come in main examination 2020. Already this question has come and fixed exam alli bande bartiti. Ellaru nange illa answer helbeku. Tafazul has given option C, excellent here. Okay, Chandramma, without studying I scored 530. Excellent Chandramma, I can see the hard work you have done. Yes, see here it regulates fat metabolism. It is the right answer. You know the basic function of thyroid hormone is it regulates the carbohydrate, proteins and fat metabolism in the body. Then its deficiency leads to goiter. Yes, deficiency means less secretion leads to goiter. Goiter means swelling of the neck due to enlarged thyroid gland. Then it is secreted by parathyroid gland. It is wrong because it is secreted by thyroid gland. Already I have written here. It is not. Parathyroid gland is completely different. It secretes a hormone called parathormone. So that is not for syllabus. Then iodine in the food is essential for its production. Yes, it is the right answer. So which one is wrong here? That is C. That is the right answer because you have asked incorrect statement. I hope you are connecting to me. Nikhil Miskin, very good. Devam Zayed Bombay has given excellent. Zayed, very happy to see you are connecting, and you are also commenting the right answers. Pancreas secretes insulin and glycogen. Tejas, very good, excellent. The gap between the two neurons is very important, and this question has come in main examination 2021. Here, ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಐತಿ. ತೇಜಸ್ has given right answer to synapse. And very important, every year one question related to synapse will come. Synapse is a very fine gap between two neurons, and the unidirectional transfer of information takes place here. The electrical signal is converted into chemical signal at synapse. So whatever I am telling, listen it carefully. Even I am describing the functions of it, you should able to remember. Shifa has given right answer. Suleiman, Aishwarya Nagarhalli, hello, nice to see you online dear. Devamsh, B is wrong answer dear. It is synapse. C is the right answer. Yes, Indra. Sir, once say my name Indra. Hi Indra. Jyoti Amrut is there. Hi Jyoti Amrut. Nice to see you online dear. Now coming to the next one. Fast and answer. Here we go. Yes, fourth one. The following is an example for reflex action. You know what is this is easy question. So you know what is reflex action? Reflex action is sudden response to external stimulus. Suppose you touch a hot object, suddenly you take your hand. So that is nothing but what here? That is nothing but the reflex action, and the center of reflex action is what? Can somebody tell me in comment section what is the center of reflex action? I'm expecting the answer, and before you answer, let me know the answer for this one. Now Tafazul is telling fourth question is option B. See here, as I already said just now, I have done the reaction and I showed you what is the reflex action. Folding the chair, no, it is not a reflex action, it is conscious by your brain, it is a voluntary action. Remember, reflex action is an involuntary. Involuntary means it is not controlled by your brain, it is only controlled by your spinal cord, in which sudden response you do to the stimulus. Then pulling hand back when touching a sharp object, as B for correct answer. Tasting food, again it comes under your voluntary, it depends upon your taste. Then applause at the end of the program, yes, applause at the end of the program is again voluntary. If you want, you can applause, or else no. Very good, Amrut is there, Mohammad Farid, Nikhil Miskin, Shifa, Devamsh, Jyoti, excellent, all have given the right answer. Now question number 5. Yes, very good Tafazul, you have given the right explanation. Question number 5, and this question is also very important. Now the center of reflex action is already in the previous question. I have made you to understand which is the center of reflex action. I hope it is visible. Let me know question number 5, what answer can I expect? So ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Okay, I am expecting the answer dear. Fast. Delcy, hello sir, I was your last batch student, your videos really helped me well. Excellent, and very congratulations to Delcy, heartfelt congratulations dear. Jyoti Amrut has given right answer, very good Jyoti, and the right answer for this is option B. Afriz, Zayed, Aishwarya Nagarhalli, excellent. The right answer is what? Spinal cord, and you know spinal cord is what? It is a center for reflex action. Excellent and very happy dear. Yes, Venkatesh, Devamsh, Nandini, Nandu, very good. Kavita, spinal cord, very good Kavita. Then next one, the hormone that regulates. See, previously if you are just in line with me, I already mentioned which answer it is. I'll just read question number 6. That is the hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the body. This question has come in main examination 2021. Your seniors have already written it, and you will also write. And this question is very important. Yes, I can tell me the answer here. Yes, very good. The right answer is I can see Aishwarya is telling. Okay. Naveen Nagarhalli, Aishwarya, I got Naveen, I got your point. So C is right answer, thyroxine. And can you tell me what are the function? Testosterone. You know testosterone is a male hormone. It is controls the male secondary sexual characters at puberty. Adrenaline is nothing but emergency hormone. In case of emergency situation like stress, fear, anxiety, you get this. Insulin is nothing but the hormone which is secreted by pancreas, and it controls blood sugar level. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು ರಕ್ತ ಒಳಗ ಸಕ್ರಿ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, that is we call blood sugar level. ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದಾ? ಅದು ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಅಮೃತ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಜಿಯರ್, ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ 81%. Very happy. Venkatesh has given C for correct answer. Coming to question number 7, I will be bit fast and this is the average question. A ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಅದು average question. Preetham, let me know. It is the male organ. It controls male sex hormone. Devansh Gowda, very good dear. Then, if the roots of the plant grow towards an area of nitrite concentration, see here nitrite. Nitrite ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? ಯಾವ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನೈಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ nitrite concentration ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Will it comes under phototropism, hydrotropism, igmo or chemotropism? I'll tell photo. Photo means response of plant parts in response to the movement of plant parts in response to sun. We call it as what? Phototropism. Similarly, hydro means water, igmo means what? Touch, and chemo means chemicals. So I've just explained you the na ella options here bittidini. Keeping options in mind, very good Nikhil, Jyoti, Zayad, then Naveen, Venkatesh, Chef Sharan, very good. So all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is what? Chemotropism, because the response of plant parts in response to chemicals, the movement, because nitrite concentration is nothing but what? Chemical. Very good. Then, which of the following is mismatched pair? Mismatch ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೊಳಗೆ ತಪ್ಪೈತಿ? Mismatched ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And very important question it is. So ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ question number 8. What answer can I expect? Which of the, see, adrenaline, pituitary glands, insulin, pancreas, testosterone, testes, thyroxine, thyroid gland. So ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Shifa, very good dear, you have given the right answer for previous one. I am expecting answer for this. ಇದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪೈತಿ? ಮಿಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ? ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ. I am expecting the answer. Yes, Sujata Mohandas, very good Sujata, excellent. Can you tell me the right answer? Those are telling why the wrong answer is A. Can you justify? Teja is telling, thank you sir, your class is interesting, excellent. Thank you dear, thank you so much. You here. So Nikhil has given right answer. Suleiman, very good, very good. Zayad, Bombay has given right answer, excellent. See here, the right answer is wrong one here. Why? Because our wrong yadanta iti kelidare. Mismatch andre enu tapp yadaiti ad baribeku. So the actually pituitary gland is what? Adrenaline is adrenal gland barabeku. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್, ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9 ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. See, correct path of transmission of nerve impulse in neuron. This question has come in main examination 2019, supplementary examination 2021. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಬರೋದು ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಐತಿ. ನವೀನ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್, you said the right. Now it is related to 9th standard only. You have studied this. Let me know the answer dear. I hope the question is full. ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು. Correct path of transmission of nerve impulse in the neuron. So let me know yaadu. Dendrite, nerve ending, cell body, axon. Dendrite, axon, cell body, nerve ending. Dendroid, cell body, axon, nerve ending. So what is the right option? Shifa is telling option C. Yes, very good. So if you just able to draw the diagram of this nerve, so yes, neuron, you can find the correct path of this. So I'm just drawing the rough diagram. Dendrite are this, see many a times they will give figure PQRS, they will ask you to identify. So in dendrite bardeti middle olaga iddiddu cell body second, then the long length from here it is axon, and the last part is nerve and yes, nerve ending. So the right option is first dendrite hoogtiti, dendrite, ಆಮೇಲೆ cell body, ಆಮೇಲೆ axon, ಆಮೇಲೆ nerve ending. Yes, C for correct answer. Yo, yes, Tejas, Jayad, Kavita, Devam, Suleiman, excellent. All are giving the right answer. Very happy. Very good. So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇವನ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಅಪ್ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ their studies for the upcoming midterm and FA2 examination. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನೈತಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then sir, please, you have books, send me PDF. Venkatesh, if you want any queries related to books there, you can just see the number on the screen 8123426450, or you can visit to the website www.udaandeepak.com. You will get. Sir, what is the role of myelin sheath? See, the myelin sheath is nothing but the shield which is a protective layer. It just protect the axon. ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಶೀತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is just covers, it absorbs the shocks and it just protects the axon here. That is the function of myelin sheath. Very yes. So Monday exam, it is science exam. These questions what I am discussing will come definitely. And if you still want to get PDF or any kind of support, then you can just join in the description list ಅಲ್ಲಿ Telegram group ಐತಿ, WhatsApp group ಐತಿ, join ಆಗ್ರಿ. Or if you want to uplift your studies for board examination or midterm examination, chapter-wise question and answers ಆಯಿತು, scoring package, passing package, ಏನರ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, you can just order them by going visiting the website here. Okay, then coming to next one now. Look at this figure. Sorry. Question number 10. This is a difficult one, as they said there. The correct path of the arc in the following. Okay, so ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If it is not visible, write it correctly. This is C, this is A, this is D, this is I don't know, B, C. This is A, I think this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, let me know the answer in the comment section. Sir, move fast. Shifa, yes, they are moving fast only. Because I should be able to make you understand. Fast agi nange correct answer heli. This is E. Okay, this is E. So let me know the answer here. Sir, will you send all the PDF after the class? Just connect to the number which is given on the screen. Nikhil, sir, midterm one shot and important question, please. Definitely, dear, I am coming up with the one shot syllabus and midterm most expected questions I will be solving very soon as possible. ನನಗೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ನೋ ನಾವು. ಎಸ್, first the information will flow like this. I'll just take CAT, first C, amele A, then D, then from here E, then B. So C, A, D, E, B. Yes, you can see a C, A sensory neuron, then D relay neuron barteti, then motor neuron, effector is B. So C is receptor. If you have just gone through this figure related one question will come for fix. You nenapidkobeku. Yes, those who are telling CAB bartitandri. Maybe this is B and this is D. The letters have been interchanged because it is not visible. This is B and this is D. CABED. CABED. The figure is blurred. So C for correct answer. Those are it is ED. Okay. The right answer is what here? B. CABED. Bed. CA bed. That is the right answer. I hope that due to the figure you are unable to answer because the letters are very much blurred. Even it is not visible to me. Tafazul, sir, FA2 time, very good. Sir, can you send quadratic equation part 2? Tomorrow morning I am doing there. Not morning, in the afternoon you can expect me. Then coming to next, an example for positive photo. This question has come in supplementary examination of 2022. See, these previous year questions which have already come are much important. Avanna ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು. Yes, so ನಾನು fast ಆಗಿ question number 11 ಹೇಳಿ. And example of positive geotropism. Geo means you know. What is geotropism? The response or the movement of plant parts in response to gravity, we call it as what? It is geotropism. You should tell me the example for positive geotropism. Positive geotropism ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, which will grow with gravity. Growth of stem, no, the stem hand grow ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, it will grow against gravity. So first one is wrong. Growth of root deep into the soil, yes, that is the right. Growth of shoots, shoot means what? Again, the plant against gravity is shoot. Then upward growth of root. So this is not possible. Only the option B is right here. Yes, Saigita is asking, Sai Geeta is asking, sir, AP, LBA, very, as soon as I finish QE, quadratic equation, I'll start LBA here. Nimge ಏನು doubt ಇತ್ತು, suggestion ಇತ್ತು, comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. Suleiman is there, very good. Kavita, Tejas, excellent here. I'll not waste much time. Question number 12 now. The part of brain responsible for accuracy of voluntary actions and maintaining body posture and balance. So tell me which part of the brain maintains body posture and balance, how to stand, how to sit, your body balance and posture, which part of the brain is controlled. Then you fast agi helbeku. Yes, Devamsh is there, Tejas, Tafazzul, sir, FA2 timetable, FA2 will start from, I hope that you know, you are aware, 18, 19, 20 it is. Nikhil has given B is wrong one here. No, cerebrum. C, accuracy of voluntary, maintaining body balance and posture. Which part of the brain controls body balance and posture? Naveen has given right answer to cerebellum. Nanat Puturi, cerebrum is forebrain. The main part is, it is the main thinking part of the brain, storage device. Pons controls what? Facial expressions and mastication. Hypothalamus, your food appetite. Okay, so the body temperature, all that will be maintained by what? Hypothalamus. Cerebellum controls the voluntary actions, that is maintaining body balance and posture. I hope you are connecting. Sujata Mohandas, very good dear, you have given the right answer. Venkatesh, Kavita, excellent, very happy. Then question number 13. A pot that has growing seedling is kept in a dark room. A burning candle, candle is placed near it for few days. The top part of seedling bends the light. Light kade enaiti bent ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. This is which one? It is due to chemotropism means response towards chemicals. Phototropism means what? Response towards light. Geotropism is response towards gravity and water. So let me know what answer can I expect. Sujata has given right. Teja, midterm. This see here, most expected questions are LBA. That is first priority. Then I will be solving question papers only. Okay. Naveen has given the right answer. Very good. See, it is phototropism. What is meaning of photo? Light. So this word has made you to answer the question. Tejas has asked me what is the meaning of mastication. Mastication means chewing dear. Chewing. Andra, ek tension aada pata 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 kadak bidtare. That one we call it as mastication, Tejas. So that will be controlled by pons. Pons controls facial expression during happiness, tension, angriness, fear. So how your face will change. Same thing here. Mastication is chewing. Coming to next. Question number 14. A person immediately starts running soon after absorbing the snake. Nodi snake nodi hedrak hogbidtare. The correct transmission part of reflex impulse in this case, this has come in main examination 2023. So already this question in the figure we have solved. So keeping that in mind, let me know the answer. So sir, my FA2 exam is over. Venkatesh is telling the questions what I am discussing are much important. You prepare upon hogi. So let me know the answer, dear. Receptor, sensory neuron, brain, and you know that brain doesn't have any role in reflex action. So brain is the cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Now let me know the answer here. Yes. Sai gets only one quadratic equation video I have done in this year. Subsequently, I will be uploading all the videos. Okay. Maya, sorry, I can see here Aryan here. Nihal is there. Yes. So option A ಮತ್ತು option D wrong ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ because the brain doesn't have role in reflex action. Now receptor is the first B for correct answer because effector will come in last. Receptor, sensory neuron, spinal cord, relay neuron, motor neuron, effector. B is the right answer. Just imagine that figure. Yes, very good. Next one. Blood sugar level increases because of under secretion of insulin hormone. Swelling of neck takes place. Why? The question is this is to relationship ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ blood sugar level ಯಾವಾಗ increase ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ when insulin is produced less. Similarly swelling of neck reason neck ಯಾವಾಗ grow ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ್ರಿ ಅವರು. ತೇಜಸ್, ದೇವಾಂಶ್ ಗೌಡ, ನಿಖಿಲ್, let me know the answer. This question is very important. Its swelling of neck, it is due to under secretion of thyroxine hormone, more secretion of insulin, more secretion of thyroxine. So let me know the answer in this case. Ian answer bartetam theli. Nihal has given option A. Naveen is telling A. Very good. See here, neck is because of enlarged thyroid gland. That is low secretion of what? Low secretion of thyroxine hormone. Option A is the right one. That is under secretion of thyroxine hormone. There's total 27 objectives I need to discuss. Fast again here is already 9. Next. A hormone secreted by pancreas. So tell me which is the hormone secreted by pancreas. Question number 16 it is. I think that question is skipped. Okay. I'll just let it know. Now coming to question number 18. The correct path of movement of nerve impulse in the following diagram, that is 2019 alli bandanta prashne. So you can just see here, let me know the answer. Which is the correct path? Just note really P, R, I'll just highlight here. This is P, this is R, this is S, this is Q. So let me know answer here. Which answer can I expect? Yeah, answer correct ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Insulin, the hormone secreted by the pancreas is insulin. You are given the right answer, Naveen. Excellent. Mahesh Kumar Agdi is there. Hello. Let me know the answer for this one. How does the transfer of the information takes place? Impulse PRSQ. So option D is right. P are dendrites, R is cell body, S is axon, Q is nerve end. Already this question has come. Suleiman has given right. Then the part of brain that controls riding a bicycle, writing with a pen grip is. So let me know which part of the brain will do that. Puneet Solanki is there. Hi Puneet. Yes, I am expecting the answer. Devamsh Gowda, Venkatesh, very good. Yes, Ian answer Bartesh held B. Yes, very good. You know, riding a bicycle is a voluntary body balance and posture is done by whom? Which part of the brain? It is the hindbrain, that is cerebellum. Very good. Cerebellum. Cerebellum is a forebrain, main thinking part of brain. Medulla, involuntary activities, breathing, heartbeat. Then pons, it is not pan, it is pons, facial expressions and mastication. Zayat Bombay has given the right answer. Then almost we have come to end now. Oh, this one is over. This part of the brain is responsible for making your mouth water when you see tamarind. Tamarind andre unsi hannu, you know. Tamarind unsi hannu andre ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಹುಣಸಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಬಾಯಾಗ ನೀರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So which part of the brain? So tell me now which part of the brain will control that one? Kavita Yachai. Yes, I am expecting the answer for this one. Question number 20. Then fast again answer helbeku. Unless you tell, I will not move forward. Nimge ಗೊತ್ತು. Yes, very good. Yes, RN is telling pons. No dear, pons is wrong here. Yes, Suleiman, yes, is telling C, medulla, yes, C for correct answer because medulla controls involuntary actions. Nenapidkori medulla ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, it controls involuntary activities. So as soon as you see pickles or as soon as you see tamarind ocean ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬಾಯಾಗ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, it is involuntary, it is not voluntary. Okay, so that is because of what? We can see here it is involuntary because of medulla is the right one. Yes, so coming to next, the movement of pollen grain towards ovary is. So you know pollen grain is nothing but it secretes some chemicals in the flower such as hibiscus. Very good, Punit, you have given the right answer. Let me know the answer for question number 21. The movement of pollen grain towards ovary is phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism or chemotropism. Fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. I am expecting the right answer fast. Yes, very good. It is chemotropism. The example for chemotropism is that itself. That is the movement of pollen grain towards ovary itself is what? The chemotropism. The plant hormone responsible for phototropism is. So phototropism is light bend agodu. So which hormone is responsible? Fast agi heli. Yes. The plant hormone responsible for phototropism in plant. Which hormone it is? Hydrotropism, RN is asking. Hydrotropism is movement of plant parts in response to water. Hydrogen, hydro means water dear. Yes, so I hope RN got Tejas in brain, what they are function, we can write lobes. No dear, no lobes function, particular function you should mention. Nihal is telling A, very good Nihal. Auxins. So you know auxins are the plant hormones which are growth promoters, which will help to the stem and length of the growth of plant body. Similarly, cytokinins, it helps in C for cytokinins, C for cell division. And whereas abscisic acid it inhibit the growth, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ grow ಆಗಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Similarly, gibberellins, they are some growth promoters, they help in growth of the shoot tip and root tip. Okay, that is the function. So the right answer is auxin here. Then the information sensed by receptor in the body is carried through. So as soon as receptor, what are receptors? Receptors are the sense organs. Skin is a receptor. Okay, similarly the eyes are receptors, tongue is a receptor. So receptors are the sense organs which will carry the information. Now tell me how they will carry: through electrical impulse, through blood, through lymph or through vessels. So what answer can I expect here? Yes, fast agi helbeku. We see already it's 9:09. We are getting late if I wait. So fast agi nan answer helbeku. Vijay Kosti, PDF are not in WhatsApp. As soon as I finish this session, I'll just put it in WhatsApp. WhatsApp that means sigo some kasta aitri. Better go and see it in Telegram. You can find it here. Mahesh Kumar is there. Tejas Telegram channel name you can just get into the description box below. Color description box ಐತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಉಡಾನ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ, answer Devamsh Gowda is telling B. No dear, you know that the information is carried through electrical signal only. Through blood hormones will travel. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೋಗೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂದಾರ್ರಿ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ಈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ರೂ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಟಾರ್, ಥ್ರೂ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಟು ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, like that you should able to do it. Next, upward movement of stem in plant. This exam, see, you are just a senior, exam 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2025 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So let me know the answer. Upward movement of stem in plant. Stem upward move ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿ. It is because of whom? So let me know the answer here. Upward movement of stem in plant is because of whom? Yes, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳೋ ತರ ನಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕು. ದ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಜಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ದೇವಾಂಶ್. Upward movement, what is the answer for this one? Upward movement of stem in plant. Nihal is telling me, see stem mal ಹೊಂಟೈತ್ರಿ. It is moving against gravity. That means it is negative geotropism and it is moving towards light, that is positive phototropism. The right answer is here D. Negative geotropism. Negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ against yes, it is negative geotropism but not positive hydrotropism. Because hydrotropism word ಬಂತು root ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Root ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ they will catch the water. Then hydrotropism will not come here because it is stem. Then this gravity transaction is also not there. Answer is negative geotropism because it will grow against gravity, the stem, and positive phototropism, it will bend towards light. D for right answer. Those are telling other than D, kindly make sure that you revisit and revise thoroughly. Then I'll discuss now 1 mark questions. They are not more than 15. So fast I give one in 10 minutes. I'll finish it now. What are tropism movement necessary? What are the tropism movement necessary for growth in roots and shoot of plant? So tell me now which are the root ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಶೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ಜಿಯೋಟ್ರಾಪಿಸಮ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಟ್ರಾಪಿಸಮ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಇನ್ ರೂಟ್. ರೂಟ್ ಅದು ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಜಿಯೋಟ್ರಾಪಿಸಮ್. So geotropism means what? It is growing with gravity. So here that is geotropism. Shoot and grow ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, it will grow against gravity, that is positive phototropism. So the right answer is what? Very important, it is model question paper 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. What are the tropic movement necessary for growth in root? We need positive geotropism, and shoot in plants it is positive phototropism. That is the answer you should write. Very good Nihal. Meera is there. Hello Meera, nice to see you online dear. Shoot, photo, root, geo. Very good. Then what is geotropism? The movement of plant parts in response to gravity, we call it as what? Geotropism. I hope you got it. Then what is neuron? Neuron is structural and functional unit of nervous system. Structural and functional unit of nervous system is what? Your both brain and spinal cord is nothing but neuron. Then let me know question number 31 ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Which hormone inhibit means what? Slows down ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. that one we call it as inhibit. ಯಾವ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್? ಎರಡು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅದಾವು, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. So I am expecting the answer. Which hormone is responsible for fast agi? Yes, I am expecting answer. That is very good. Which hormone inhibits the growth of a plant? It is abscisic acid, or you can write ethylene, or ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. It is abscisic acid or ethylene which inhibit the growth. I hope you got it. Abscisic acid or ethylene is the hormone which inhibits the growth. Nikhil has given the right spelling also. Tejas spelling is wrong dear. Tejas, ethylene is the most expected. Excellent. Then what is reflex action? Give an example. Already you know the sudden response to external stimulus. We call it as reflex action. Sudden response to external stimulus we call reflex action. Example is withdrawing of hand as soon as you touch the hot object. Then how does chemical coordination happens in plants? You know the chemical coordination happens in plant is due to plant hormones. The answer is what? Plant hormones. One word answer. Fixed questions I am discussing. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ 1.5 ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. See, how does chemical coordination occur in plants? It is due to plant hormones, or also we call it as phytohormones. Then name the mineral necessary for production of thyroxine. we know. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಇನ್ ದ ಥ್ರೋಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಚ್ chemical we need, they are asking. It is iodine in salt. We need what? Iodine in food. So iodine is the answer. What is the role of abscisic acid? This question has come in main exam 2023. Already I have discussed. Abscisic acid is a hormone which inhibits the growth. Inhibit means what? It slows down the growth of plant body. That is the answer. Example, you can write wilting of leaves. Wilting and the falling. Suddenly ಲೀವ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ತಂತಾನ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅಬ್ಸಿಸಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಕವಿತಾ, then Nikhil, very good dear, you are answering. Then we'll move to next. What is the function of pancreas? So you know pancreas secretes what? A hormone called insulin, and it controls blood sugar level. Okay, controls blood sugar level. And the ಶುಗರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? See, what is the function of pancreas? It secretes a hormone called insulin, and it controls what? Blood sugar level. Ad blood sugar level ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. How do muscle cells respond to? The muscle cells ಏನದಾವಲ್ರಿ, respond to nerve impulse. So let me know how our muscle cells they respond to. See, muscle cells contain special protein. Muscle cells ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, you know that our muscle cells they contain some kind of special proteins. First you should know that our muscle cells ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, we are having the special proteins and they cause movement by changing their shape. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ muscle cells ಅನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, so that you can have what? Contractions. ಅಂದ್ರೆ muscles ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, shape and composition, and due to which they respond to external stimulus. That is what you should write. Tejas, glycogen is the right answer here, but in textbook they have not mentioned. You should focus more whenever they ask insulin, right? Whenever they ask pancreas, focus more on insulin, which controls blood sugar level. That is what you should write here. Effector, Nihal, very good. Muscle cells are the effectors, and they are having special proteins, and they make the movement due to the contraction of the muscles, and they make you to show the response towards external stimulus. That is what the answer. Very good dear. Then the next question, what are voluntary actions? The voluntary actions are the actions which are controlled by our will, and those are controlled by brain. Yes, and involuntary actions are the actions which are controlled, which are not in our will. And the will not in our will, and those are controlled by whom? Those are controlled by the medulla of forebrain. So Nanakudkori, so involuntary actions are controlled by medulla of hindbrain, where has here forebrain, cerebrum. Here you should know, you can write hindbrain or you can write medulla. See here, what are voluntary actions? The voluntary actions are those actions which are controlled by our will, and those are under brain. Which brain? Forebrain, that is cerebrum. We should be very specific. Similarly, involuntary actions are those actions which are not controlled by our will, and those are controlled by medulla of hindbrain. So medulla, you know, it controls the breathing, heartbeat, all that will be controlled by this one. Sir, can you explain 37 question again? How do muscles respond to nerve impulses? See dear, muscles ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, those contain some special protein, okay, and they change the shape and composition of the body, due to which they can take what? Electrical impulses. That is what you should write. Sir, put important topics. Very good dear Omkar Muri. I will make sure that I'll put important questions. Not only important questions dear, I will also highlight the blueprint for your midterm according to the KSEAB, Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board. Yes, moving to the next one. Name the parts of brain that controls voluntary and involuntary actions. So which part of the brain controls voluntary and involuntary actions? ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yes, so you know the part of the brain which controls the brain that control voluntary action is what just now I have written, that is cerebrum. It is forebrain. Cerebrum, it is forebrain. Similarly, involuntary action, it is hindbrain, that is medulla. Hindbrain, and you should write what? Medulla of hindbrain. If you write this much, 1 mark you will get. I hope you people are connecting. Nihal, yes, cerebrum and medulla. Aaron has given right as Shreyas. I got 98.94% in 10. Very heartfelt congratulations to Shreyas. I hope you have a good career and good academic career. Yes, dear. Very happy to see you. Then moving to the next one now. Okay, I think this is the last one. The last 4 questions are there. So let me know what is the role of receptor. You know receptors are the sense organs. So receptor andre ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Sense organs. We are having 5 sense organs. Skin is the largest sense organ. Then we are having ears, nose, eyes, tongue. These are the 5 sense organs we are having. And what does they do? What is the function? They receive the stimulus. What is stimulus? Stimuli. The stimulus means change in external environment. Change in external. ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಾಗ ಏನು ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಈಗ ಬಹಳ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಐತಿ, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶಿವರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೇವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಟಿಮುಲೈ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಹಾಟ್ ಐತಿ, ನಮ್ದು ಏನು ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? Receptors. So receptors are sense organs. They take all the information and give to brain, and brain will work according to that. That is the function of what? Receptor. Name the plant hormone that promote growth. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಯಾವ plant hormone? There are 3 plant hormones which promote growth. So fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Which are those? Those are auxins, gibberellins, auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins. You should by heart this. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಹಂಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾವು. ಏನ್ರಿ ಇವ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಹೌದು, ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ and you all should what? Remember by heart ಪಡಿಬೇಕು with spelling dear. Sir, AP LBA very soon I will start, Nihal. Yes, you can go for read the LBA questions dear. Plus you should read textual question answers also. Textbook is the first priority when it comes to a phase. Textbook is the first priority. Second is this auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins. This is the answer. What is the difference between reflex action and walking? See, reflex action is involuntary, whereas walking is what? Voluntary. And reflex action is involuntary means what? It is controlled by spinal cord. It is sudden response, so it is controlled by spinal cord, whereas walking is under the control of what? Brain. That is the one example you should write in this case. You add a point chandagi baribeku. Then the folding up of leaves. The folding up of leaves of sensitive plant, touch me not plant on touching with finger, is not a tropism. Why? Never heard why it is. Yes, why it is not? Because it is growth independent movement. You can write answer is what? It is growth independent. It is growth independent. That one we call it as what? Non-directional movement. Non-directional growth independent, because a particular direction illa. As soon as touch me not plant chewy movie, you touch ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? other leaves fold ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. That is nothing but what we call it as the tropism, but it is called as what? Growth independent movement, but it is not called tropism. You touch me not plant thigmotropism ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು, but here growth ಆಗಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, only movement ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿ, growth ಆಗಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. For that purpose it is growth independent. ನೋಡಿ, growth ಇಲ್ಲ, growth independent ಐತಿ, non directional movement, or it is also called as nastic movement. Nastic movement means growth independent movement, non directional movement, nastic movement ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, I'll just finish my discussion here because I finished all 1 mark question, 45 questions, and it took me 55 minutes to cover. Then remaining questions I will be doing in subsequent session. So there are around 78 questions in this session. And the 70 questions adavu, and in subsequent part 2, part 3 videos I will make and I will do it. Okay. So now here doubt into comment section alli haki, and if you are finding my videos and my sessions helpful, I request everyone to kindly like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, and share this video as much as possible with your school classmates and in your school groups, in your with your close friends, so that even they may uplift their studies for their upcoming examination. Okay, so ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, Targar pressure, Tippesh is asking, that is from LPDR, that is the live process ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು. I'll let you know. Please prepare all the students to need JEE. So Shreyas, definitely dear, I'll come up with that session. Nikhil is there. Okay, thank you so much. Ena doubt ittu, suggestion ittu, comment section alli haki. I will wait for a minute. And thank you so much. I am very glad that you people are taking the advantage of such live classes, and which will add value to your upliftment of your scores in your upcoming examinations. Devams sir, I added 2 members. Very good, Devams. Very happy that you are taking such initiatives. Yes, Taktita support Madi. See here, it is like a two-way communication. The amount of efforts I am putting, I am expecting you all to put some efforts, so that it will just help us to uplift our channel. So tell some points about desert plants. Definitely dear, about the desert plant, I'll let you know. You know that desert plants, they work opposite to what the plants they work here. The one which are non-desert plants. And in desert plants, what will happen is those will open the stomata in the night. They take up the carbon dioxide in the night, and they prepare an intermediate. As soon as the sunrise falls in the morning, they start to prepare the food. That is how they will work. Yes. Add my number to group, sir. You just send me your number, dear, to the number which is given on the screen, 8123426450. And even I'm supplying the LBA books. If you want the lesson based assessment book with answers, so kindly connect to the number. It will be delivered at your doorstep in 2-3 working days. Not only that, the printed UDAAN books PDFs beku, then passing package aitu, scoring package aitu, you can just buy them from our website www.udaandeepak.com alli sikbidtiti, tagobeku. Yes, so geotropism, RN is asking. Geotropism means the growth of plant parts in response to gravity, dear. Sir, this is LBA or fire questions. I have solved all the LBA questions, Nikhil. So the questions which I have solved here are money. You can just go and visit that website there. You can get to know the amount, particular book in which what all contents are there. You can get to know in the particular website. There is one session called buy books. You can go and alli hogi ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಏನ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. And thank you so much. I am very happy and very ಏನಂತೀರಿ, and happy Independence Day once again. Belated happy Independence Day. Today is Independence Day, dear. Okay, so ಏನ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ PDF ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್. ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ